everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, as you can see by the title, this video is me basically starting over and just rebranding. I'll probably talk about it at the end, but you know, I love being a princessy, cutesy girl, but it's as far as my aesthetic goes, it's kind of that. I'm really not that much of a put together gal, so as you can see from the background, very new background. Give you guys a quick apartment tour. Keep in mind that nothing is permanent. I've literally been here for like 2 weeks, so everything is TBD. This is the doorway area. You turn in right into, it's very open concept, right into the living room. A wonderful couch, as you can see. Just kidding. There's a mirror though. Hello. Check my outfits there before I leave. This is the remnants of my Wi-Fi and cable stuff. I don't really watch TV anyways. I don't really use cable. My shelf, I originally had this in my room. I don't know if you saw my room makeover video. If you have, this was in my room, but I put it in the living room. My new room is a bit smaller and I think it belongs right here. It'd be so cute with like a little couch right there. Oh, there's my shoes. Hey guys. Okay. Yeah, and there's also a little bit of a balcony right there. I would show more of it, but I want to keep my location private, so I won't be showing the balcony too much. My desk is like in this little corner right here with my backpack, extension cord, my chair socks. They keep coming off with this carpet, so I might have to either glue them on or just leave them over there. But a bunch of random stuff, glasses that I had on my shelf, random jewelry. None of this is very staged, so office. Mainly my work study stuff is here. And then some books, random books, medical term book, Spanish English dictionary, Japanese book, just a bunch of random assortment of books. And inside of here is all my tech, some school supplies in tech. And I think this one's pretty much empty. Yeah, just a tripod in there. Then on top of here, just random decor and things I have no place for. And now we can go into the kitchen. Oh. Yes, this is my little kitchen. Over here in the kitchen area, I have my keys, a little tray. Usually I put my keys on here, but I just went somewhere. That's why it was like that. A little vase of flowers, a little candle, another candle, and my little plants. This is Oswald's. Hello. Why am I? This is Oswald. Napkins. Okay, and then you walk into the kitchen and you have my trash can, my amazing vacuum. I feel like it's boring to just talk, so maybe I'll set this up and I can talk us through the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Yeah, there's lots of cabinet space, and here I keep my seasoning. They told me I had brand new appliances whenever I moved in, so that's amazing. Yeah, here's my fridge. There's like nothing in there. There is a lonely bag, a very, very lonely bag of Brussels sprouts in my freezer. Aww. That's all I've got, yeah. Just a lonely bag of Brussels sprouts. And then the actual fridge part, just have random stuff. I have matcha honey. I don't know, guys. I need to use this. I just haven't yet. Moving on, this is just more cabinet space. This is where I would hypothetically put dishes if I had any, but as you can see, I have 2 mugs. Oh, this little grain of rice, little piece of rice. I don't know where to put this. Should I eat it? Nah. In hypothetical dishes, yeah. Paper plates, paper cups, 2 mugs. I have no dishes to my name at all. And this is this. There's really nothing in here, guys. Like some cleaning stuff, kinda. Fresh pot of rice. This is the oven. I'm gonna make the pasta in a second. Literally right after I'm done filming this, I'm gonna make the pasta because my stomach is in pain. Like it's growling so much. Plasticware, silverware, chopsticks, can opener, whisk. That's what's going on in there. My water, my water filter, and then here's my abomination of teas. Hot cocoa, some little teas in here and here. Collagen powder and straws. once you leave here, there's 2 doors. There is my bedroom and my restroom. We'll do my bedroom last. I feel like that just makes sense. We can loop around. But this is where the restroom is. I'll light on. Oh. So you walk in, straight to the left here is kind of a closet, random hair stuff, medicine, pads, laundry, and some towels. And then we come in here. Hey guys. Hey. Body tea or what? Anyways, here's just my speaker charger because I keep my speaker in my shower. So speaker charger, makeup, skincare, hair, eye stuff, body stuff that I use every day or more daily is here. My glasses, contacts, lotion, soap, wipes, it's other daily skincare stuff, and some masks. Yeah, and they're just all random like bathroom stuff. Nothing really interesting. Toilet, towels. Here's my shower. Very cute shower, actually. I love it so much more than my other one because it's so much easier to clean. I guess it would be like a paint of some sort. My other shower was so hard to clean because it had I don't even know what it's called, not molding, not actual mold, but like physical like molding, like the actual like cement in between, and I feel like that was so hard to clean. But this one is just flat and it's so much brighter. And right to the right of the shower is washroom, aka the wash closet. It's literally just this is all just washer. Then we go this way, breaker box, and then there's another door right next to the breaker box, which is my closet, which is a lot smaller than my other one. So I did throw away a lot of clothes, which this still seems like a lot of clothes. I know it does because this is not even my dresser still, but I did get rid of a lot of stuff. Like, you have no idea how many. I got rid of like 4 big trash bags of clothes. So, and we got some backpacks. All of my high school stuff is really in there. It's a bag of clothes I need to give to my friend. These are all of my crop tops, and then my dresses are right here. Shoes that don't fit in my shoe rack that I will show you in a second. Luggage, accessories, bags. I don't have a place to put them, so they're there for now. Extra blankets and bedding. All my jackets, sweatshirts, and coats. These are all of my full-length shirts, and then skirts, shorts, sweatpants, or really just like non-jean pants, and denim, and other skirts. Oh, short skirts, long skirts. And that's literally my closet. Like, that's it. After you leave the closet, you come right into my bedroom. This is the shoe rack. All my shoes. Walk in, this is the door that connects right out here. And yeah, I just have my hook with my cutesy little bags. I have this little rack here with my Wi-Fi and a fan. And then I walk over here, I have my bed desk. Like, if I want to work in my bed, I have that little like desk thing. And then this little tray of just daily perfume and supplements. My little lamp, I put it against the wall because it's a lot dimmer that way. I don't really like too bright of light. This is for my tea. My lovely outlet that charges everything known to man. My bed is kind of made, but not really. I've just been laying on top of the comforter. I actually need to get rid of this mirror. This mirror is so cheap, and it distorts your body. This side of the mirror makes your body look really wide, and this side of the mirror makes your body look really skinny. This mirror makes me not know what I look like. And then this little thing holds all my bags. And then this is my dresser. There's not really room for the shelf. There could be in that corner realistically, but I think that's a little bit too close to my head. For me personally, I don't like anything in my head space that would fall and potentially hurt me, and the thought of that shelf falling for any reason, yeah, would kill me. So I don't really want to put it there. My dresser is here. I just have like my jewelry boxes. I don't know where to put any of the stuff yet, guys. Like, I don't. And then my laundry. Clean laundry. That's all dirty laundry that I just have not done yet. So that is the tour. You walk out here and you're right back into the space we were just in. Okay, so that was that's the end of the tour. But also, what I kind of wanted to talk about was just kind of the rebrand of my entire channel, content stuff, and in general. I think that there's a lot of new relationships, a lot of new change, a lot of new things going on in my life. I really, really want to fall into my routine soon. I don't know what that looks like yet, but I really want to fall into my routine. I wanted to film this video a lot sooner, but college started and I was on my period and it just felt like super like, ugh, let's get to the next day, let's get to the next day, let's get to the next day. It didn't feel like the fresh start that I had planned in my mind, okay? So I decided to film it this week, 2 weeks into my move-in. And I feel pretty good. I love, love, love this apartment. But yeah, this is a very new chapter of my life. Hopefully I'll have some university vlogs coming out soon. I just haven't been filming anything, so this is, you know, the start. But yeah, this is my place. I hope you liked it, and more videos will be coming soon. More chit-chatty talking videos, because that's also more me than what I've been creating. So yes, thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.